secure a promising future through continuous innovation. Over the years, LandGlass has always been standing at the forefront of the industry, exploring the field through innovations and transformation with numerous LandGlass First. In 1999, we launched first flat glass tempering furnace, breaking the years of monopoly by foreign manufacturers in this market. In 2000, the first glass bending tempering furnace was successfully developed, providing professional solutions for side windows for luxury automobile and curved glass for home appliances. In 2002, the first flat and bent bi-direction glass tempering furnace was introduced, completing the tempering processes for both flat and bent glass with one machine. In 2003, LandGlass was ISO 9001 certified for the first time. In 2005, for the first time, we realized zero-distance service using teleservice supported by Siemens, starting the journey of LandGlass towards intellectualization. As the leading enterprise in the industry, we participated in the completion of the first edition industry standard for glass tempering furnace. In 2006, we became the first to launch the JetConvection technology, helping customers to solve problems encountered during processing of high-performance, low-E glass. We started the first global service tour, providing customers with differentiated, customized, professional after-sales service. In 2007, we launched the first continuous glass tempering furnace and combined glass tempering furnace, successfully dominating the tempering equipment field for home appliance and solar energy applications. In 2009, the advanced manufacturing base was put into use, enhancing further our ability in production, warehousing, and spare parts supply. In 2010, the first variable curvature glass tempering furnace was introduced, providing high-quality solutions for curved glass applications for commercial freezers and luxury buses. For the first time, we held the seminar at GlassTech, becoming the first domestic enterprise invited to present leading technology at this top-level industry forum. In 2011, an international well-known enterprise placed the order for 16 glass tempering furnaces made by LandGlass. LandGlass tempering furnaces make many landmark buildings around the world sparkling. The first large-size super thermal insulated and soundproof tempered vacuum insulated glass was successfully developed. 2012 to 2013, LandGlass won China Patent Gold Award in 2 consecutive years and became the first one in the industry. In 2014, we introduced the first continuous hard roller bending tempering furnace, providing high-precision, high-efficient solutions for large demand of curved glass used in automobile and home appliance industries. In 2015, the first Cyclone series glass tempering furnace hit the market, providing customers with solutions for higher-end tempered glass applications. In 2016, the IFT testing report proved the first time that the U value of LandVac vacuum insulated glass can be as low as 0.4 watts per square kilometers hour. In 2017, LandGlass was among the first group to be certified as the vacuum insulated glass manufacturer. The strength of the enterprise is well recognized in the industry. The glass tempering furnaces exported to a U.S. high-end glass company totaled 21. LandGlass has become the preferred brand in U.S. tempering furnace market. In 2018, the first C+ flexible roller cone bend glass tempering furnace was successfully launched. Capable of processing super large-sized curved tempered glass up to 18 meters, LandVac won the Silver Award for the first time at China Dual-Use Technological Innovation Application Competition, stepping into the field of national defense applications and making contributions to the development of national security. LandVac was successfully listed in the catalog of the recommended products for passive low-energy buildings of Mohord. In 2019, the new generation UltraJet series glass tempering furnace backed by 6 innovative technologies, was launched by LandGlass, fulfilling the diversified demands from architecture and furniture, automobile, home appliance, and solar power industries for high-quality flattened band tempered glass with both quality and capacity guaranteed. As the legendary and benchmark product in the intelligent glass tempering equipment field, the Cyclone series glass tempering furnace has also been upgraded. With 13 innovative technologies and nearly 100 of innovations and creations, the upgraded Cyclone series fulfills the ultimate demand for top-quality tempered glass. The R&D team of LandGlass integrates decades of their core expertise in the glass processing field with Industry 4.0 and the IoT technology to provide domestic and foreign users with complete solutions for intelligent processing and smart factory, and help them realize elaborative and efficient intelligent manufacturing and management. Lead the industry, lead the future. As an industry pioneer, LandGlass will make more firsts in the future. Change the future of the industry for a better life.